Good morning. Today we're going to do power to the pelvis. And although it's not just an exercise for the pelvis, it is for the core, for the legs, for the upper body, for everything. So it's really a great exercise to do, although it's not easy. So notice I'm starting with my arms and legs moving out and up. Now this foam roller is firm, so if you've got a softer foam roller, it's going to be a little harder to balance, which is a good thing. So I'm going to do a few more of these elevations, and you just want to loosen up the hips. Now if your leg doesn't go that high, that's okay. You're still going to get the benefits of this exercise. It's all about core, pelvis, balance. Take a nice deep breath, because here I go. I'm going to hold it out. Stay right there. And you want to try and make your body into a T formation. Now I've got a cheat for you. You can grab the back of your legs. If you want to cheat, you can push down. Now I know you guys are writing stuff out there. I can't see you from this far away, but I will comment later. So go ahead and start to push that leg. And I'm pressing down, away, and I'm pushing into the rib cage, pushing on the shoulder and really strengthening the whole body. Take a nice deep breath in. We're going to be here for a while. And then I'm going to do little baby bops, little baby pushes, squeeze. And you're already feeling it in the glutes. I'm sure you are. If you're up doing this with me, you are feeling it in the glutes. We're going to do a few more. Keep pushing. Try and keep your body in a T formation. Hold it there, and then I'm going to pull my knee in the 90 degrees and out. Now notice, I'm pushing down pretty hard, but you can lift that leg if you need to. What's important is starting off at your own level and getting stronger. This is a fantastic exercise to challenge your whole body, and it doesn't take more than 5 minutes. I'm going to do a couple more to pull that leg in. I'm going to push on top and reach. You don't need weights. You could just push in and reach. And then I'm going to hold it to the front, 90 degrees from the hip, and I'm going to push out and in. Oh my goodness. I'm feeling this in the core, in my abs, in my legs. For balance, relax your shoulders. Try not to bring your shoulders up. We're going to do a few more. All the way out, all the way in, all the way out. Again, you can grab the back of the legs if you need a little help. I'm going to hold the next one right out here, and all I'm going to do is drive that leg up, and I'm pushing down. This is pretty intense in the pelvis, but we need a strong pelvis, ladies and gentlemen. Push, last one, squeeze. I'm going to come on over. Ooh, do a quick stretch. And if you can't put your leg up on top of your thigh, you're more than welcome to put it on the floor, but you want that open hip stretch. And we're going to take it on the other side. So let's start off with those pushes. You might notice behind my foam rollers, my little kitty again. Just loves to hang out with me while I'm doing my work. And I'm going to try and keep lengthening the body as you do this. Reach. I'm going to do a few more. Open the chest. Think about your posture. Don't stop breathing. This is a strength exercise. So even though we're not using traditional weights, we're using your own body weight. So it works fabulous. So hold it on up. Right there. Find your center. Lift through the core. Push down on the legs. And I'm just going to do slower pushes to start. And I'm going to quicken the pace as we go. Really pull in on your rib cage. Compress this rib cage and you're working obliques. Squeeze. You're going to be feeling it in the butt pretty quickly though. All right, little baby pushes. Here we go. Squeeze. And I'm struggling for my balance, and I hope you are too. We just don't do enough balance work. And as we age, it's super important. After the age of about 22, we start to lose our balance. So it's really important to work that. Keep going. We got a couple more. Hold it. Then I'm going to pull in and out. I see some bopping things across my screen. Couple of hearts. Thank you guys. Push and squeeze down. Remember, you can grab the back of the thigh to lift the leg if you need a little assistance. It doesn't matter if you cheat this, because you're still working that hip. Power to the pelvis. Give me a couple more. Then we're going to hold it to the front, and then we're going to extend and reach. Now, if you went longer than a couple of minutes on each side, that's even better. So as you build your strength, do a little more time on each side. And we're going to reach and in, and now I'm going to hold it to the front, and this is the grand finale. This is the killer, because you've got all this weight forward, glutes, strengthen the back, strengthen the core, power to the pelvis. I've got a couple more, and then we're going to take that stretch Oh my goodness, it's going to be hard to move through that stretch. Sit back, take a nice deep breath in. I hope you enjoyed our 5 minutes of power to the pelvis. I'll see you on Wednesday for a little cardio dance and Friday for flexibility. I hope you have a great week.